is servant leadership because I believe that true leadership means helping others first. Through our school activities like outreach program and community service, I learned that leading with compassion and humility can create a positive change in others' lives. Like koan pananglitan ma'am kanang random lang gud ma'am, like pananglitan sa past experience nako nagtuo ko nga like kato akong tabang sa iya wala lang, pero dako day kay kuan sa iya, like small like pananglitan like more small gesture lang kumbaga para sa imo ha, pero sa iya para sa iya kay dako na kay kuan jud kanang impact para sa iya ha. Kanang like nagtabang ka nga walay halong like tabang nga wala ka naghulat o kapalit gud ma'am, like ana. And it is not about being a boss, but being a good example and serving with a kind heart. So like pag like tabang nga wala kay gihulat nga kapalit, like ana ma'am. So sa ma'am, third question, in the past 8 weeks I will show servant leadership by helping my classmates and joining school activities and served others. I did my best to lead through kindness and teamwork, not by being a boss, but by being helpful and respectful. I will continue to promote this value by setting a good example and encouraging others to serve with a humble heart. And the last question, ma'am. My personal traits like being respectful, helpful, and responsible support by growth as a true Holy Cross student. I always try to do what is right, serve others with kindness, and stay strong in my faith. And from these values, it helps me confidently say, I am Holy Cross. Yun lang po ma'am. Salamat.